Hi guys, today we are reviewing the KOBO Clear HD N249. This is a front-lit touchscreen ebook reader. It contains 8 GB of internal memory and holds up to 6,000 ebooks. The Pro Comfort Light reduces the impact on your eyesight for easier reading at night, so you don't have to worry about your eye health. Choose from 11 different fonts and over 40 styles for your favorite text style, and don't forget to adjust the sharpness of the image. There are also 14 supported file formats and Wi-Fi and micro CD connections. Having an ebook in use, you can read the entire stock of world fiction and scientific literature, if only there is enough time and battery power for this. The ebook saves the place where the person stopped reading, and when you turn it back on, opens the necessary page to continue reading. You can fill up the contents of your personal library in any of the convenient ways, download or upload from removable media. Of course, some sophisticated users may argue that this device does not have sheets of paper and it is impossible to enjoy their smell and rustle when turning over, but nevertheless, high-tech advantages cause a huge amount of positive emotions and feedback from most users about this model. Please note that the product in stock is original, but not new. It will pack well in bubble carton box, and sometimes there may be slight scratches on the case or screen when transporting without the original box. Still, almost all buyers are happy with the delivery of this product despite such minor problems. Follow the link in the description and rate this product. We are confident that this ebook will bring many conveniences to your daily life.